contacting basically above L5, applying your pressure down. Some doctors just apply pressure down. I like to apply pressure down at a slight impact. And he'll tell you can feel that in your low back, can't you?
Yes, sir.
That simple. First time you came in here, hurting pretty bad, right?
Yes, sir. Almost crawled in.
Immediately after the adjustment?
I was walking out good, come back to work.
So you adjusted the back through his stomach.
Yep.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Drop your shoulders. Oh, nice interior, man.
That was good.
Nice. All right, last but not least, show me your lower abdominal exercises.